Maryam from Crochet Treble, and today we want to learn how to make a treble crochet. So I made 10 chains and let's begin. For single crochet we skip the first chain. For half double crochet we skip 2 chains. For double crochet we skip 3 chains, and for treble crochet we skip 4 chains. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice and skip 4 chains. Insert your hook in the 5th chain from the hook. I work in the back loops. And pull the yarn through the loop. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Do it once again. Make treble crochets all across the row. Now let's see, 10 chains give us how many treble crochets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those 4 chains count as our first treble crochet. For the next row, chain 4 and turn. Those 4 chains count as our first treble crochet. So we skip the first stitch and make our second treble crochet in the second stitch. The last stitch will be in the 4th chain of those 4 chains that we skipped at the beginning of row 1. So I made a few rows of treble crochet, and as you see we don't have straight edges, and also we have gaps at the beginning of the rows. To solve this problem, at the end of the row we don't chain any. And turn your work. Make a single crochet in the very first stitch. And now you have 2 loops. One is near, next to the hook, and one is far from the hook. Insert your hook in the loop far from the hook and make another single crochet. Do it 2 times more so that you have 4 single crochets into each other. And those 4 single crochets count as the first treble crochet. And for the rest of the row, make regular treble crochets. The last stitch of the second row will be in the 4th chain of those 4 chains that we skipped at the beginning of row 1. The 3rd row will be exactly the same as row 2, except the last stitch. The last stitch will be in the 4th single crochet of those 4 single crochets that we made into each other. And here we go! Almost no gaps at the beginning of the rows and almost straight edges. More straight edges than the previous way. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials. See you in next video. Bye!